guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. It means a lot to us. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, which is the same as Fiat Freemont. What we'll be doing today guys, we're going to show you where to locate the air conditioner pressure switch. That switch guys, what it does, that switch turns your compressor on. Okay, it detects that you have enough pressure in the system to activate the AC compressor, because if it doesn't have Freon, the compressor will get locked up. And that's why, okay, that switch is there. Now, if that switch doesn't work, okay, what will happen? Your AC compressor will not turn on. But this is not the only reason why your AC will not work. Okay, it could be bad clutch, it could be bad compressor, low Freon, but it could be a bad switch as well. So, if you're guys trying to find and replace the switch, stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on the Dodge Journey. So please subscribe, all the parts and tools that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. So as you can see, we have the bumper removed. You do not need to do that. The only reason we removed it is for other repairs, and we can show you where the switch is as well, the pressure switch. Now, if you come on this side right here guys, okay, first let me explain about the AC system. This is your condenser, this is your dryer, okay, right here. And now on the inside, if you come, okay, without removing or taking anything apart, you can get to the pressure switch. Okay, this is your AC pressure switch. Now, how you guys replace that thing? You need to make sure that you drain the whole system. You do not have any Freon, so take it to a shop where they have a machine that they collect the Freon, because you don't want to release that, there is a big fine. Also, it's not good for the atmosphere. So, collect the Freon, make sure there is absolutely zero pressure in the system, and then we can proceed by removing that switch. Okay, this is the switch right here. All we have to do, grab a wrench, okay, right here, and remove that thing. Once you remove it guys, okay, you need to disconnect the cable. And how you disconnect it, okay, you can see right here, this is the cable, press in, pull out. The only thing left is just to take it off. So, hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.